So these are the two questions you asked about. The first one was this one. There's a couple of ways to rearrange this, but actually I'm going to do it by moving the 7 over 4 first. So I'm going to move that across. So we get y. Here it's minus 7 over 4. So we're adding 7 over 4 to both sides. So we get 2 over 5x. Now this is a tricky step because here we've got 5's on the bottom, here we've got 4's. If we want to get rid of all of those denominators in one go, well, we could times everything by 5. That would get rid of this one. And then we could times everything by 4, and that would get rid of this one. The equivalent of that is we're timesing by 5 and then timesing by 4. So that's overall the same as timesing by 20. So it's a little bit of a shortcut to times by 20. If you do this in 2 steps, that doesn't matter. But this is a nice shortcut that we can take. So if we times by 20, we get 20y. 7 times 20 is 140. Divide that by 4. So we're doing 140 divided by 4. And that is going to give us 35. And then we've got 20 times 2 is 40. Divide that by 5 is 8x. And then we can move the x's over. So we've got 20y minus the 8x's plus 35 equals 0. And hopefully that is a little bit clearer where that's coming from. Now there are other ways that you can follow that through. There are other ways that you can do that. But I think that is probably the easiest way to do it that I know of. It may be a little bit, for some people, it may be a little bit easier to do this timesing step in 2 parts. The second question you asked about was the last one in the red box, which had this information. First thing we do is, and I suspect we did this, we convert it into y equals 1/3 x plus a half, using our gradient and our y-intercept going there. Next thing we want to do is probably take that half off both sides, so we get y minus a half equals minus 1/3 x. Now again, if we want to get rid of a half, the best thing to do is times by 2. If we want to get rid of a third, the best thing to do is times by 3. And doing all of that in one step, the same as timesing by 6. So we're actually going to times by 6 here, and that is going to get rid of that. So 6 times the y gives us 6y. 6 times a half is 3. 6 times a third, 6 times 1 is 6. Divided by 3 is 2. And we've got minus, and the x are still there. Move the minus 2x over by adding 2x to both sides. We get 6y plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. And we've got our answer. Hopefully that's helpful. If you're still stuck, please do ask again. That's absolutely fine. And yeah.